What is up, guys? It's your boy JMO coming back to you with more GTI content. Today we'll be working on our headliner. I don't know if you guys noticed in the last video, but we actually had pulled the headliner out before we went up to Summit Point. Me and my dad did it. I put it in the shop. We got a nice crimson red for the headliner. You'll get a better view of that in a few minutes. We have my boy Max over here again. He's gonna help us out, put it back in. And Big Poppy Mike.
What's up, guys?
Behind the hood, trying to disconnect the battery and work on some airflow stuff right now. But we're gonna be putting that stuff in, and depending on time, we're gonna be putting all the accessories back in. So let's get started. The first step that's really gonna be big is we're gonna have to get these side pillars out right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's one on the other side. It's actually not too bad. All we have to do is take these little airbag pins out. I wish I could have light in here. It's gonna be real dark, but there are airbag pins right here, and basically there's a screw behind it, and it just comes out pretty easily. And then we can go ahead and get that headliner back in, hopefully within like the next hour or so, but I don't want to jinx it. So it actually was not on when we were to take the two mid pillars off, or also known as the C pillars. We're going for the A pillars now, which are the two ones up front. So we're going to do a quick time lapse to get those out, and then we're going to start putting this headliner in, start clipping everything in. And if we have time, get those lights and handles and stuff up. So, let's get to it. Your boy J-Mo has really messed up. Last time when I was taking the headliner out, these ribbon strips or ribbon cables that were running on the top of the headliner, I had to pull them out, and I tore the one to the rear light. Not like my rear headlamps, but like to my actual freaking light that's inside the car. And there are more up front that I just kind of taped up, and I'm not sure if they're torn either. So we're gonna find out pretty soon. We were about to lay everything out on the back of the headliner, but right now it looks like I'm not running with any lights. So hey, you ain't gotta be a douche with the camera, bro. You ain't gotta be all up in my face, all up in my. What we're doing right now is we came down to the basement. Big Mike hopped on the computer, put in some magic in that keyboard. He found the part that I need. The part that I tore from the back actually runs all the way to the front. It's all one part. He's looking at Volkswagen's main site for sourcing parts, and it looks like it's like 72 bucks right now. We're gonna see if we can take that SKU number and find something else that's a little bit cheaper, and if not, we're just gonna have to rock with that. But I'm not really sure if I want to put this headliner in right now, if I'm just gonna have to take it back out. But then again, it looks like shit, so I really just don't know. I might still put it in and just do it later. So even after my fat fold, we're still gonna put this headliner in because it drives me crazy that it's not in there. We're just not gonna have lights for right now.
Wait, did you hear that? I damn near shit myself. I pushed really hard.
Anyway, we still have a sunroof in there, so that works out. But yeah, we're just not gonna have lights. Well, eventually we're gonna order that harness, get it shipped in, and I guess just redo it. I guess we can't rip it down though once we pull it out this time. Only way we can do it is fix it. So. We have 3 of the 4 pillars in at this point. Almost the 4th one in. They're working on that right now. we are about to start getting all the smaller accessories on and getting that light or those lights back up inside. So I'll show you how we do. It already looks so much better, and I've got some plans for it that'll make it pop a little bit, or just that much more. So they're having trouble. I'm gonna have to go over there and help them. We got a nice little black and red finish, and you guys, if you know anything about Volkswagen, you know that at night when I turn my lights on, everything turns red. Matter of fact, follow me on up. I'll show you real quick. I forgot when I disconnect the battery, I always get a little steering error. So what I have to do is take it, rotate all the way one way, rotate back the other way, and it goes away. So, nice little tip there for y'all Volkswagen users. But what if I got the doors in red too? Cool. But anyway, yeah, like right there on that. That'd be kind of tough.
So who's gonna do that?
Yeah, we didn't really tell you guys, but yeah, this job kind of was hard. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really want to pull it down and put those lights back up. I mean, these work. These back here they just don't work right now. They don't do anything. And then also the lights up here just don't work. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, your thing's on this side. Oops.
Yeah, those lights don't work right now, and there are mirror lights in here that also are just non-existent right now. So that's all fine and dandy, though. I don't need to fix my hair, unlike some other little douchebag over here holding the camera. But it's okay. I'll turn these. Oh, the trunk is open. Something open.
Yeah, the garage door.
No. Okay. Interior. Take a little look. Yeah, boy. Your boy killed it. Your boys killed it. Damn. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for the day. I think overall that was a big come up from what we had, especially before. The headliner had completely dropped out and it needed to be done. So we might as well have switched it up, going with the red, and I think I got some more stuff going into the inside pretty soon. That's going to make it look pretty dope. So with that being said, that is it for the day. See you guys in the next one.